How to visualize the right way to manifest what you want. There are invisible forces shaping our reality each and every day. These forces are always at work, and we each have the power to use them to change our lives for the better. It's all about learning how to direct and use your inner strength to create the life that you've always wanted. Many people don't realize this incredible power that they hold, and without the knowledge of how to use this power, life can sometimes feel like a roller coaster full of ups and downs that you feel you have no control over. But what if you were able to steer that ride and guide it towards the experiences that you choose to have? Your mind, especially the part that you're not always aware of, the subconscious, is like a command center, and it's always in touch with these invisible and universal forces. It's ready to take your instructions and make them real, like a personal assistant waiting for your orders. By speaking the language of the subconscious mind, you tell this part of your mind exactly what you want to bring into your life. Every picture that you imagine, every scenario that you dream up can influence what happens next in your life. This is because your subconscious mind will take these visualized mental movies and your feelings very seriously and as truth. In this video, you will learn to master the art of manifestation with your mind, guiding your thoughts and your emotions to create a life of your own choosing. Imagine for just a moment not only possessing the ability to consciously design your future, but learning how to use it correctly to turn your deepest desires into tangible realities. As we dive into the power that you hold to create deliberately, you will discover the true extent of what that means. I will show you how to communicate with the deepest recesses of your mind using the language of the subconscious to mold your reality and teach you how to use this extraordinary power of your mind and specific ways of visualizing to align with the universal laws that silently influence our lives by awakening the dormant strength within. You will unlock the magic you have inside of you to steer your journey towards unimagined heights. The universal mind is always awaiting your commands, ready to transform your whispered dreams and wishes into the physical reality of success, happiness, abundance, and fulfillment. The universal mind is always ready to respond to our desires, but without clear and consistent direction, the outcomes can be unpredictable. Tapping into this latent energy effectively means communicating with our minds in the language that they understand. The subconscious mind, acting as a bridge to the universal consciousness, serves as our personal connection to the realms of creation. It relays our desires to the quantum field, creating the blueprint of our reality. By syncing our conscious mind with our subconscious mind using familiar and precise language, we can send clear and purposeful messages that ensure our intentions are fully understood. The images and visions that we entertain, whether intentionally or accidentally, speak volumes to our subconscious mind. This means that our daydreams, especially those filled with shape in very intentional ways. Part 1. How to use visualization to create what you want. The clarity of the images that you create in your mind's eye are pivotal to your success when it comes to manifesting deliberately. Regular practice is key, yet the intensity and quality of your visualizations far outweigh the quantity of time spent. When first initiating the process of intentional creation from the realm of imagination, beginning with moderate, low-key desires will allow you to witness firsthand your ability to manifest your reality intentionally. Imagine that it's real right now, as if you're living in that future moment. This is the best way to make your daydreams work for you. Also, when you use vivid imagination, feelings play a crucial role for two main reasons. Firstly, your subconscious mind speaks the language of feeling. This is its method for recording life's events. For example, if you've ever bitten into a lemon, your mind instantly recalls the sour taste and the way your face puckered in response. Chances are, you prepare yourself for that tangy sensation anytime you see a lemon. This reaction is because required feeling states were introduced. Secondly, it's essential to achieve the end result feeling state that you want to experience from the goal that you're manifesting, not the specific details of how it should happen. For example, you might wish to land a specific job thinking that job will bring you a sense of fulfillment and joy. If you concentrate too much on this one particular job, imagining every detail about it, you might end up disappointed if the reality of that job doesn't match your expectation of happiness. Instead, if you aim for the feeling of satisfaction and achievement that you believe this job will give you, you're more likely to find yourself in a situation that genuinely brings you joy, possibly in a role that you hadn't even considered. The key is to aim for the emotion that you wish to experience, letting the universe present the best path to achieve it, rather than insisting on a precise scenario. Moreover, trying to pack too many specifics into our visualizations can sometimes make it more difficult for the subconscious mind to bring that desire to life. Imagine that you're guiding someone to find a Imagine if you were to choose to bring more money into your life. The ideal focus would be on a version of yourself that already has money, abundance, and luxury. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and your body. Using your mental imagery point of view, begin to look through the eyes of this abundant you. Envision yourself in the comfortable, expansive living room of your luxurious house, a symbol of your financial success. You reach in your pocket and find a key, sleek and cool to the touch. This is the key to... Don't get caught up in the specifics. Trust your mind and the universe to handle all the details for you. Now, how to permanently remove negative thoughts and images. Getting rid of negative thoughts and images is just as important as imagining positive outcomes. When you remove beliefs that don't align with your goals, you eliminate the obstacles in your path. This leaves more space in your mind for positive ideas that help you achieve your dreams. We're going to go over some straightforward methods to convince your subconscious mind that it's time to let go of those negative. Number 1. The transformative fire. Visualize a powerful, cleansing fire in front of you. Its flames are vibrant and inviting, with the ability to assist you in transformation. Picture one of these negative thoughts as it comes up, or a fear, or an image that's been holding you back, and see it as a piece of paper in your hand. You may even want to see yourself writing this limiting belief or image on the paper. Next, in your mind's eye, gently toss it into the fire. Watch as the flames consume it, transforming the negative thought into smoke and ash, releasing it. New growth. You can use these as daily practices, or anytime you find yourself entertaining negative thoughts or images that don't serve you. The subconscious mind will understand these types of visualization processes and the language that they convey, making them very effective for the removal of anything that once stood in your way of fully engaging in the visions of the future that you're creating. If you truly believe in what you want, you have the power to make it your reality. Everything you experience isn't separate from you. It's a part of you happening inside your mind. You're not just a bystander in your life. You're actively shaping it in all moments with your thoughts and your beliefs. What we see as reality is really just what we believe to be true. The only possibility for something to be discovered as reality is believing in its existence. This means you can directly influence your life by changing what you believe, using your imagination to reshape your subconscious mind. And once again, this is accomplished with intentional impressions that are combined with matched feeling states. Our minds are not simply observers of reality, but powerful creators capable of shaping our experience of the world. So the key to changing your life is first changing yourself and your beliefs. By changing the mental habits that we carry, the world around us changes too. With every shift in your thinking, you alter the world around you. It all starts with believing the possibility of your dreams and taking conscious control of your mind.